Alright, so today I'm working on an '09 Chevy 2500 gasser. I believe it's the 5.3. The complaint is this, when filling up, it'll crank but won't fire. And what happens is this valve right here is bad. It's letting too much. This is coming from your fuel tank to your engine. As far as recirculation of the recirculation of your charcoal canister of your evap system. So anyway, best thing I can say is super easy install. All you have to do is pop the cover off. Part number is this 2-282571. So what you do is you pop this cover off here. It's right behind this piece, but don't freak out too much. You have to use your pry bar. There's a little push tab that you want to bend back. Then you lift it up. There's this wire piece here. And this piece, it's just a push tab. And it pulls this hose off. Push the hose off. I already popped that top off. So then you have to just pull this guy out and put the new one in. And then I'm making really fast timing. So don't expect to do what I did. And it's also all on camera, so don't expect you to go as fast as what I just did. And you want to make sure you pull this once you have it in, pull it so that way you cannot pull out. Then you put this guy back on and poof, you just made yourself or saved yourself way too much money. So the easiest way, if you're not 110% sure, pull this guy out and breathe through it. There should be the new one has well, look at this guy. The new one has some pressure that goes through it, a little bit. We're not talking like breathe through it, but there's a little bit that goes through it. I didn't think it at first, but yeah, this one's rubbed. Wow, that's rubbed really bad. But anyway, like always, jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.